I'll be exploring a Parisian-style condo in central Singapore, fly over a special guest who's an actual French lady to get her reaction and thoughts on this place as we dive into the areas that's both luxurious and a tad notorious lately. A full tour of the condo inviting exterior and interior, plus I'll share my top 10 property checklist throughout the video and a candid hilarious interview with the security guard. Smash that like button and let's get started. Today, we'll be delving into the Bukit Timah area, home to prestigious school, to both primary and secondary, iconic malls that is near the rail corridor, and Singapore's biggest nature reserve. Luxury landed house with premium prices and collections of opulent upscale bungalows. Which brings us to recent news: robbery in King Albert Park involving more than $4.3 million. 11 people were robbed at around 2 a.m. on the 18th of April during a gambling session. Further down the rabbit hole, I read that the victims are Singaporean crypto traders and also professional crypto poker players. Now, here's where things get juicy. This could be insider stuff at play. How else would they know the time to strike and steal valuables worth over 4.3 million? I have digressed. Let's get back on track. The property we are touring today is near to the recently completed Downtown Line. And it is also known as the Richmond Line. We'll be going through all the detailed interior aspects of this property over here. And ending with Property 65 checklist review of the top 10 must-consider aspects when choosing your right properties. Number 1. Location and connectivity. The location is Bupisuo, core central region of Singapore, District 10. We only need to travel 2 stations to Orchard. 2. Good school well within 1 kilometer radius. Total of 2 primary schools within 1 kilometer. We have Top Primary School, number 20, Singapore Chinese Girls School, and number 24, ACS. Although Top School ACS Primary is moving out west to Tengah Town Estate in 6 years' time. Later in the video, we'll go through the remaining 8 factors in the checklist. More on this later. And before I show you the property of the day, I would like to ask you this.
Pain au chocolat. Pain au chocolat. Pain au chocolat ou macaron? Pain au chocolat.
Water Hill or Perfect 10?
Perfect 10.
Perfect 10 or Juniper Hill?
Juniper Hill.
Juniper Hill or
Château-le-Fort.
Today we'll be seeing this condominium at Bukit Timah, Juniper Hill, the neighbours, Château-le-Fort.
Ouh là là, Château-le-Fort. Je me mets the view beautiful.
Before we continue with the tour, please support us, like, share and subscribe. It's free! We will now enter the condo by the main gate. There's 2 gates at the opposite ends. Left to enter, right to exit. We then got greeted by the friendly apartment guard and asked him some questions. So bro, how long have you worked here?
Going 6 months.
How's the resident attitude over here?
My experience, they are friendly lah.
Friendly, huh?
Friendly and but only we got this issue like those dumping.
Or dumping?
Yeah, dumping.
Is by tenant or those got people that won't stay?
Some is tenant, some
tenant.
some resident not much lah.
Not much, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, then got the last most important question. So, what do you do during your off day?
My off day.
I don't know.
Oh, I will just rest lah. Rest.
Yeah.
Go Johor.
How you travel here from work?
Oh, I use this bicycle.
Just the bicycle? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Understand. So
Yeah.
you do so
From my area, North Sembawang.
Sembawang?
Yeah, Sembawang. I just come here lah.
Oh, okay. Right.
Right, yeah.
Bicycle.
Right, Okay lah, about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Moving on, the basement has a total of 37 parking spaces, 33 for residents, 4 for visitor slots. It's a low-traffic basement car park. We work our way up to the unit, up the stairs into the lift. Exiting the lift, we travel to the only facilities in this project. Take a look at the pool that is on the 2nd floor. It's a small development, therefore the pool is always private and exclusive. There's only 2 units per level, 2-to-1 lift sharing, very exclusive, full privacy for you. Past this door is the house that I'll be showing to you today. Let's go. Past this door is the unit. Let's enter the unit together. Same thing again. I'll hand you the floor plan of the unit. Let's take a look. Entering the unit and to your right, There are L-shaped dual wide windows for best ventilation and sunlight into the property. Take a look at the floor plan again. Here's the north and here's the south, no west sun into the house. Once you enter the house, you will notice this. It feels like a classy landed house design. Next, we move to the enclosed kitchen with original cup pantry, top-down cabinets with little knickknacks of cups. Exiting the kitchen are both the common rooms. Lastly, the master room right over there. Right after COVID period, you don't get marble flooring design like this anymore. Material costs increase, especially for new launch condo these days. Most new launch condo these days, 3-bedroom and below, is all porcelain tiles. The owner actually stayed in this house for many years, thus the homely feel. They are the first owner. Alright, here's the deal. Our property selling price is a total no-brainer win. We are asking for just 2.35 million, negotiable of course. Now let's take a peek at what our freshly minted neighbor over at Juniper Hills are asking for. Spoiler alert, you gotta love this comparison. Okay, at the higher price tag of 3.5 million for the same freehold status. The only difference are 12 floor height and a nicer, more modernized swimming pool. You get better facilities but lose exclusivity with a higher density of residents. Sidetrack and notice this modern aspect of the house. This shocking Nokia modem. I thought they only produce indestructible bricks. And welcome back guys, it's that time again. Cedric signature toilet home tour. Right beside me, this is the wash basin. This is the wash basin tab. This is the light reflective mirror. This is the pink cutie toilet bowl French style. This is the toilet hand collar. This is the flush button. And over here, and this is the toilet ventilation window. And we are all done. This is the end of our signature toilet home tour. As promised, here's our Property 65 checklist review ratings. Each factor will have a maximum of 6.5 points. Okay, number 1, location and connectivity. We give a total of 4.5 for being walkable to MRT in distance to Central Employment Zone. Plus, the property is in Core Central region. Number 2, school within 1 kilometer. We give it an average of 3.5 as Singapore Girls' School is a top school for girls only, not very suitable for family with boys. Also to remember, ACS is moving out to the west. Number 3, lifestyle convenience. For own stay family, the lifestyle convenience are definitely delightful. Number 4, project features and enjoyment. For facility-wise, there is no gym, no tennis court, no kids pool, and not even a barbecue pit. Only a basic dated pool for a score of 1 point. But awarded an extra 0.5 point for the friendly security guard. And for number 5, the view of the house scenery points. Manageable distance to neighboring condos score a points of 3.5. It can be considered an unblocked view for a low-rise apartment. Number 6, for condition and upkeep. You will have to spend a substantial amount to renovate this house as it is well preserved from day 1. A score of 2 points is awarded. Number 7, investment value and potential gains. The 10-year track record of 36.6 gain in schedule translates to 3.6% per year. Do remember that it's freehold, you get to enjoy bonus asset protections holding power without lease decay. To further compare, we will put it to the test with the district average gain in the past 10 years. Alright, District 10 average gain per year is at 3.4%, meaning schedule enjoy fair growth in tandem with District 10. Unlike another condo in District 10 with negative growth, possibly because of the undesirable characteristic of that project. For number 8, safe entry price in the vicinity. Viewers, this is hard to come by. We are getting full points of 6.5 for this entry price. As we can see over here, the price entry PSF of Chateau is a safer, better bet. The price quantum to enter at 900,000 discount compared to beside neighbor Juniper Hill, as it's both freehold anyway. Furthermore, let me show you the full dive of PSF within 500 meter radius of Chateau Le Forme vicinity. Check out the data filter, 500 meter, 1 year, condo, freehold tenure of 3 bedrooms. The average PSF for the sold transacted unit is at 2,360 PSF and 2,695 PSF for current units for sale. This makes Chateau a safe entry price in this vicinity for sure.
And number 9, rentability.
Scoring a 2.5 points. The recent one-year rental transaction at Chateau is at an average of $4,300. How does it fare in the vicinity of 500 meter radius for the size of 1,109 square feet? Findings are vicinity average of $6,000, making Chateau rentability below average. Notice Juniper Hill for the same size of 1,109 square feet successfully rented at $7,000, but the entry price is extra $1 million.
For the last factor, transformation and exit strategy.
Yes, there will be transformation and expensive neighbor government land sale that will bump up surrounding price as each land sales increase due to land scarcity. Up to 20,000 homes are in the pipeline in the recently reported new Turf City estate, but it will only develop progressively over the next 20 to 30 years. The area will get plentiful $1 million HDB upgraders and more transaction traffics. Sadly, the transformation takes too long. 2 points are awarded due to the lengthy gradual transformation.
So here's the final tally rating points with a one-liner descriptions, passable with sufficient considerations. So come view the house, we will go in depth to explain the checklist in person and further elaborate the information to you.
Alright, it's the end. Remember, we upsell your home value, we sell higher than your neighbors. Contact us to start your home farm journey right now.
Do remember to click like, share, and subscribe to us. Can be found on our social media platforms. Link in the description box. Do remember to subscribe to see me. And au revoir.